Workshop!
What is Friday Workshop?
Friday Workshop's making things, building things. What we do in the workshop.
And what are we doing this week?
This week we show you the behind the scenes of our videos. The video making, the lighting, the ideas.
What? Should be pretty interesting if you like YouTube videos, so without further ado,
Here we go.
Dom, what are you doing?
I'm doing step number 1 of the video making process that we have. So, we're coming up with ideas, and the idea that's gonna be used in this video is we're gonna be using a finishing project. So, here we go. Alright, we're working on step number 2 of the process for video making, which is research the idea. The idea that we're researching right now is the finishing project's idea. And what we're researching is an SEO, which is search engine optimization. And we're also searching up on YouTube, see how well the other videos do. Alright, now we have the titles and keyword ideas that we have done, so let's continue the video making process. Now we'll make the script. For example, this video's script. We have completed it, and now on to the next step.
All right, now what I do is I set up the lighting and the recording. This is a newer. This is a model NL480. That's our LED light type.
Now it's time to position the camera in cool looking spots.
We normally film on an iPhone 13. Now we actually record the video.
That's the easy part. Now we use a program called DaVinci Resolve to edit the video. Now I post it on Facebook, schedule it, and hope you guys enjoy it.
Friday Workshop. And that's how we make videos.
Yeah!
So if you like videos like these,
Like and subscribe and turn on that bell notification so you can stay tuned and watch all the new videos that we post.
and we post a lot.
Every single Friday, sometimes even more.
Yeah. So until next time,
See ya!
see ya. This is the same light as the other one. What?